Now let's understand this display module in detail. So when you want to set the screen, when you want to set the window, in that case this display module helps us. So basically it controls the screen and window. So there are different methods which are available in the pygame.display. So these are the list of methods: init, quit. So these are the methods. So I have shortlisted some of the methods which are generally used in any pygame. You can say these are the mandatory methods which you have to use in your display. Apart from this, which is pygame.display.setCaption, these are the basic methods like init, set mode, update and quit. So these four methods are very basic and you have to use it in your game application. I'll explain you all the uses of this different methods, as well as I'll give you a brief about these methods. So the first method is pygame.display.init method. Init is again an initialization method. So whenever you want to initialize any module in the pygame program, you can do that with the help of init method. So there is a shortcut. For example, if you just write pygame.init, it initializes all the methods, all the modules in the pygame are initialized. But if you are writing specifically like pygame.display.init, it just initializes the name of the module which is given here. Okay. So if you have not written pygame.init at the start of the program, then you have to write pygame.display.init to initialize the display module. The another important thing is pygame.display.setMode. So setMode method is used to set the size of the window, the color of the window. So with the help of the set mode, we set the window. Here the size represents the width and the height of the window. So here 200 and 300 are the size of the window. This is the width, this is the height, and this is a tuple. This is given in the form of a tuple. If so in the tuple we pass two arguments, which is width and the height, as well as these are some of the optional parameters which you can pass. Depth represents the color of the window. You can set the color. Then the another parameter is pygame.display.update method. So this method is used to update the screen. So there are two methods basically, pygame.display.update and pygame.display.flip. Flip is used when you want to update the entire screen, and the update method is used when you want to update the specific areas of the screen. So these are the methods which updates the screen. Then next is pygame.display.setCaption. So setCaption is used to set the title of the window. So for example, if you want to set the title for your window, for example, my first game, if there is some game name, you want to show that game name in the top, at the top of the window, then you can do that with the help of the setCaption. The another is pygame.display.quit method. So like it is opposite to initialize method. With the help of init we initialize this, and with the help of quit we uninitialize it. So this quit method deallocates all the resources which are acquired by the pygame, and basically uninitializes all the modules which are initialized. It just doesn't quit the entire program, but it just deallocates or uninitializes the modules which are initialized previously. Okay, so these are some of the basic, or you can say mandatory methods which we have to use for the pygame. So let's see some other methods which are here. The first method is pygame.display.init. So I have already explained you, which is used to initialize the pygame. Pygame.display.quit, which is used to quit the display, which is used to uninitialize the display mode. Then getInit method. GetInit method is used. It returns true if the display module is initialized. It returns false if the display module is not initialized. SetMode method is used to set the window or the screen. Then the getSurface method is used to get the reference of the currently set display surface. Then flip method is used to update the entire screen, and update method is used to just update some portions of the screen. Then this is the method which is used to get the name of the backend pygame drivers. Then this display information gives us the information about the object. It creates a video, a display information object. There are different methods for different purposes, like setCaption is used to set the caption for the window, and getCaption is used to get the caption of the window. setPalette is used to set the palette, color palette for indexed displays, and window size is used to return the size of window or the screen. So these are some of the methods which are there in the display module, and these are the some of the basic methods or the mandatory methods which you have to use for creating a game.